We are making bridesmaid bags today because I can't thank my bridesmaids enough for joining me in what's going to be the craziest week of my life probably. So I'm going to make these tote bags and fill them with goodies that they'll need throughout the week. So sunscreen, flip-flops, and there's probably chocolate in there. Here's what we need to get started. Fabric, and I've cut out patterns, a circle and a rectangle, a super high-tech pen, some fabric scissors, a tape measure, some rope for detailing, your trusty glue gun. First step is tracing your circle onto your fabric. Now cut out your circle. The length of the rectangle, which will be the body of the bag, is 31.5 inches. And this measurement here is 15.5 inches. This is going to be the outside of my bag, but I'm putting a different pattern on the inside. Now we are going to cut some notches, and this will be the side that will be glued to the base, which is the circle. And they could just be about 1 inch. Now that we have our notches, we are going to glue the seams and these two pieces of fabric together. And I'm going to crease the top edges so that we have a clean seam. Once I have the two rectangles glued together and the notches cut out, I'm going to attach the notches to the base. Just keep gluing the notches until these two seams meet. All the notches are glued. Now we are going to glue the side seams together. Now we just need to flip it inside out and add the other base. Now that the bag is done, I'm going to use this rope and conceal all of my messiness by gluing it along the seams. Once you've concealed all of the ugly seams, it's time to make the drawstring. I'm going to cut slits about 2.5 inches apart and 2.5 inches from the top, and then we'll just weave the rope through and that's your drawstring. All right, with the leftover rope, I'm going to make a handle and use some scrap fabric to conceal the edges of the rope. All right, I think that's it. We have our Totes Adorbs bridesmaids bags, and I think it's a cute little thank you for them. We're all gonna wear it at the same time.